They're gonna be surprised that you get daycare tomorrow. Bring those excuses. Yeah, they're gonna be surprised at you.
You got her there, did your little blowing bubbles. Here it
You're gonna
comes.
show them some new things that they still aren't. You're gonna show the other little girl there's a drop something.
You don't hesitate to pull them on there. Like say coffee table, so I like.
It is terrible.